Potatoes are very nutritious and affordable. Here are the main health benefits of potatoes. Glowing star health benefits of potatoes. 1. Good source of energy. Rich in carbohydrates. Gives quick energy, especially helpful for active people and during pregnancy. 2. Rich in vitamins. Contains vitamin C, boosts immunity and helps skin health. Contains vitamin B6 right arrow, supports brain and nerve function. 3. High in potassium. Helps control blood pressure. Supports heart and muscle health. 4. Aids digestion. Provides dietary fiber, especially with skin. Helps prevent constipation. 5. Supports pregnancy health. Provides energy and essential nutrients. Easy to digest when boiled or mashed. 6. Helps in blood sugar control when eaten properly. Boiled or cooled potatoes have resistant starch. Slower sugar release compared to fried potatoes. 7. Good for skin health. Potato juice or slices can soothe sunburn and skin irritation. Warning: healthy ways to eat potatoes. Heavy boiled. Heavy steamed. Heavy baked. Crossmark: avoid deep fried, chips, fries, especially if diabetic. If you want, I can also tell you potato benefits during pregnancy, for bobbies, or for diabetes smiling face with smiling eyes. Savory slices, symphony musical sandwich. It sounds like a delicious title. Here are a few creative ways it could come to life. Tell me which one you want or enjoy them as inspiration. 1. As a food description. A harmony of golden bread slices layered with savory fillings, eggs, vegetables, herbs, and gentle spices, each bite playing its own note of flavor, together forming a perfect symphony. 2. As a menu item name. Savory Slices Symphony. A chef's special platter of toasted bread slices topped with seasoned eggs, potatoes, chickpeas, fresh vegetables, and light spices. Crispy, soft, and satisfying. 3. As a short poetic line. Golden slices sing on the pan. Spices hum, flavors blend. A savory symphony in every bite. 4. As a recipe title. Savory Slices Symphony. A wholesome breakfast or snack made with bread slices, eggs, boiled potatoes, white chana, and mild spices. Perfect for a filling and nutritious meal. Here's a simple and very crispy potato snack recipe you can make at home. Face potato. Crispy potato snack, easy and crunchy. Ingredients: 2-3 medium potatoes, 2 tablespoon corn flour or rice flour, 1 tablespoon all-purpose flour, maida, a half tsp red chili powder, a half tsp black pepper, a half tsp garlic powder, optional, salt to taste, water as needed, oil for deep frying. Method: 1. Peel and cut potatoes into thin slices or thin sticks. 2. Soak in cold water for 15-20 minutes. This removes extra starch and makes them crispier. 3. Drain and pat dry completely with a cloth. 4. In a bowl, mix corn flour, maida, salt, chili powder, pepper, and garlic powder. 5. Add potatoes and mix well. Sprinkle a little water only if needed. Potatoes should be lightly coated, not wet. 6. Heat oil on medium flame. 7. Fry potatoes in small batches until golden and extra crispy. 8. Remove and place on kitchen paper. Tips for extra crispiness: potatoes must be very dry before frying. Fry twice, first on medium heat, rest 2 minutes, then fry again on high heat. Do not overcrowd the pan. Serving ideas: sprinkle chaat masala or peri-peri powder. Serve with